All right, guys. So we're about to take that trip. About to head down to Fort Myers. It's about 3 hours away. I'm going to show you what I bring with me when I'm picking up vehicles. Tell me if I'm forgetting anything or if you guys got more to add or not, if you think I'm overdoing it. So let's just take a look here. So right off the bat, I'm in cans of Fix-A-Flat. Take 2 of them with me, just in case. You never know. We got this. This isn't a must, but it's AC stuff in case the AC doesn't work. It's something I like to know if I need to order a compressor from the road, or if it just got a leak. We have some let's see here. It's transmission fluid. Brake fluid's a must. You already know what this is. We got us the motor oil, and power steering fluid, because you never know. This is just the coolant, of course. Sorry about that, guys. There's a little bit of an issue there. We got the coolant. Put this right in here. And then I don't want to break this, so we'll kind of like get this set up. It's kind of like behind this. The problem is if I take it out, I'll never put it back in. So I got my bag. Well, right off the bat, got my jump and carry 660. Exactly what I just said I didn't want to do was break that grill. I just dropped this big heavy monster on it. Anyway, I used to carry this thing at the auction, so that's why you see this belt on it. So I used to carry it at the auction, and it just gets to be a pain. So I put this on there with this hook, and I can just put it right over my shoulder, and it's not so bad. All right, so we got that there. It does get in the way when I'm not using it, but if I go to pick up this car right now and it doesn't start, I at least can jump it. I got my bag, but portable portable air compressor, always a must. This one is a slime, and it hooks up directly to the battery. I don't care for the ones that, and it's got a light. I don't necessarily care for the ones that go into the cigarette lighter, because a lot of times the cigarette lighters don't work. So with that, that's good. We have this here. And of course, I'll take my bag. And in this bag, I have, we'll go through it, but I have insurance paperwork and some tools, not much, so I'm not a mechanic. And another jump box in there. It's a smaller one. This is GB140. We'll get into this bag. But anyway, this is pretty much what I take when I'm going to go pick up a car. Of course, I have Leroy on standby. He is ready to go at a drop of a dime if by any chance one of these cars don't make it. And just to show you, I'm taking the Scion. Fat man in a little car. That's what I'm taking. I haven't done anything to it yet. Legit. This is what I'm driving. Guys, I haven't even taken the auction stickers off of it yet. So, I'll let you guys know. We'll be hitting you guys up from the road, see how we're doing, how everything's banging out. It'll be a great opportunity to get this thing a road trip. It'll be a good, obviously, coming back. So I think it's about 150 miles, but I'll confirm that. It's about 150 miles to where we're headed. And so it'll be 300 miles for the Scion, because it's round trip, and 150 for the new car we're bringing back. Wait till you guys see what I bought this time. Guys, really, being a rep and having access to as many cars as I possibly can afford is a problem for me. It's a problem because I keep spending money on these cars. But again, as long as they all run and drive, it's like money in the bank to me. Better than money in the bank because of the amount I'm going to return on them. Anyway, guys, I'll check up with you guys. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. And we'll see. I'll get back with you. All right, guys, I almost forgot to show you two of the most important things. You can see one around my neck here. Well, this one, and I don't know if you guys are catching that because my hand, and this one, it's a little 10,000 mAh, whatever it's called, battery charger. But this is the most important thing, I believe, in any road trip. You see it over there? Look at that. The auxiliary cord, or AUX cord as you guys like to call it. And that's it. Can't go anywhere without that. Look how dirty this fucking car is. Damn, I tried not to curse and curse 4 times. Anyway, guys, I apologize about that. We're gonna get cleaning this car this week for sure. I know this thing is good, knock on wood, right? Because that'll be the last thing I say. Be like, the next video. So I'm stuck on the side of the road. Anyway, guys, wish me luck. 2 cars, roadworthy. It's 120 miles, not 150. 2 hours and 18 minutes. One way. All right, so we'll check it out. We'll see how it goes. I'll be checking it on the road. All right, guys. So we're about an hour and a half into the ride, and stop get some gas. I love this car. Look, this is the baby right here, boy. Look, only 9 gallons it took. That's all it needs. Love this car, but we still got a little ways to go. Nothing too crazy. Enjoying the ride. It's not a super comfortable car. Got the job done. You know, got all the stuff here, and so you guys can see this. What do you guys think will fix that roof? Maybe another video, but really, honestly, I was just checking in with you, see how you guys are doing. See, I'm at the local 7-Eleven. Well, local for these motherfuckers, not local for me. Anyway, all right, check back in with you. All right, guys, we made it to Fort Myers. Got the car right here. About to show you guys exactly what she is. You ready? She is a 1999 Honda Accord. 155,000 miles on the clock. Yeah, 99 Honda Accord. Obviously, she needs paint. It is what it is. I'm just showing you guys a quick video. This is the before I get to go home. So, wish me luck, guys. But look, she's got some damage. But listen, guys, we're in this for $350. See my other little buggy over there? So it's 350 bucks, $50 buyer fee, and $25 to the house for doing a ACH transfer. That's just one of the fees I gotta pay as a wrap. But anyway, guys, this is her. I'll get into it a lot more when we get safe and sound where we gotta go. For right now, wish me luck. Got about a 2.5 hour ride, 130, 120, 150 miles. Took us exactly 2.5 hours to get here. It's traffic, so I'll probably stop, get something to eat, and keep it moving. All right, guys. Again, I can't say enough. Wish me luck. Subscribe. If this thing gets there, can we please just push it over to 75? Can everyone that watches and hasn't subscribed, subscribe until we hit at least 75 to 100? Because this is a scary ride. All right, so let me just say this right off the bat. Transmission is slipping, or some will say it's a hard shift, but I'm gonna say it's slipping. So it'll drive, it'll hit like 3 grand, then it'll shoot up to like 4,000 RPMs, and then it'll shift hard as a motherfucker. Still gonna try to take it to Tampa, because you know, I'm just a gambler like that. I don't know why, like I'm trying to look, but I'm looking over here, it looks like I'm looking over there. Maybe I gotta look over here. Anyway, guys, you know, it is what it is. Let's see what we do. For 350 bucks, come on, what do you want, you know? Transmission for this car, maybe $200-300 bucks. Not exactly what I wanted to do, but when you gamble with those low numbers, that's kind of what can happen. All right, check in later. You hear it? Oh, watch.
Use the right lane to take the I-75 North ramp.
You see what I'm saying? That's what she does. All right, check in a little bit.
A quarter mile.
All right, everybody. So I just stopped, had to get me one of these little Coke energy things here. I'm just about to drive this thing back home again. We already put about an hour, so I don't know how many miles that was. She cruises at 80. That's the truth. She will cruise. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put you guys on the speedometer so you can see what she does. So, here we go. Just pulling up to a stop sign here. Let's see. Make this turn. See what she's doing. Did you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys are here to hear it. Let's do this. Hopefully I got a little bit more in focus. I think we're alright. Oh yeah. You see what I'm saying? That's what she does. So, with that being said, we're gonna have to put a transmission. She did it again. She's gonna need a transmission. There's no other two ways around that. So, there's a pick and pull. Probably pick one out of a crashed car. Remember, guys, if you're doing pick and pull, always out of a crashed car. At least you know that the car was driving prior to getting wrecked. At least you hope, right? With that being said, $175 for the transmission if I go and pull it out myself. As you know, I don't like being a mechanic. Let's see what Leroy says if he wants to do it. If I have to buy it from a regular place, like a salvage place, a junkyard, if you will, I don't know if that's the right way to say that anymore, I can get it for $400. You know, $400, $175. What's that? 2 1/4. So for the same price as the transmission, I could probably have one pulled and put in. But we'll see. You know, let's see what Leroy says. Sorry if I'm not in focus, guys. I'm trying to get on the on-ramp. Now I'm going straight. Let's see what Leroy says, and we'll take it from there. But so far, you know, it's just another update. And let me show you guys. Again, we're doing 80. Hold on. We are cruising along. So, I mean, you know, again, you know, what do you want for $350? I mean, yeah, I wish the transmission wasn't messed up, but for $350, you gotta take that gamble on an Accord all day long. I have to take that all day long. Anyway, guys, listen, thank you so much for tuning in. I know I say that every single time I clip in or whatever. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. Still, you know, I got about halfway to go. Hopefully, I'll make it home. All right. Talk to you guys. All right, guys. So check it out. It's day 2. Got back late last night. Ended up going out to eat dinner with my girl. Just one hell of a trip back. But here's the car. She did make it back to Tampa, so I'm really hoping you guys are going to put us over the 75 to 100 subscriber count. Looking into transmissions today, seeing what we're going to do with it. There comes a time when it's like, look, you know, I paid 4 1/4. If the scrapyard will give me $400 for it, then fuck it. I'll just send it to scrap, lose $25 on the deal, but no headaches. You know what I mean? I'm not against doing, I'm definitely not against doing motors and transmission jobs. Just for a car that's probably going to go out for $1,500, is it worth it? $425 for the car. Let's just say, you know, $200 or $400 for the transmission. You're in it now for $8, $9. You're gonna struggle to get rid of it for $15. Yeah, you know, I sound like a douchebag saying $700 isn't a lot of money, but you gotta think about the time and effort it's gonna get put into this car and the amount of money it's gonna tie up for what it's gonna bring back. And again, if I get it from LKQ for $125, it'll probably be about $400, job done. That makes it worth it. If I have to go pick the transmission up and pay $400 for the transmission and then pay, you know, I haven't even done the math, let's just say $250 to get it in, I'm in the car for $1,000. It's not worth it. Guys, one thing I've learned with doing this, don't chase it. I'm not saying throw everything out, but what I'm saying is do not chase it. If you could get rid of something quick and lose a little bit of money once in a while, do it. I know you're like, that's the worst fucking advice ever. I'll take the $400 out of this car and put it in something else. Make up that $25 that I stuck on stupid. Get $400 from scrap, right? That $25 that I lost, because it's $425, I'll get that back on my next flip, no problem. I'll put that $400 into a $1,000 or a $1,500 car, bank off that. That's no problem. There's no problem. This is just part of the game, guys. If you're not ready to take a loss every now and again, you're not ready for this game. Any dealer that tells you, oh, I never take a loss, bullshit. Put it on paper, put it out there. It's impossible you never took a loss. It's impossible. I believe you make more money than you lost because you're still in business, but I cannot understand you never taking a loss. Every business takes a loss when you're doing multiple jobs at least once. Anyway, guys, I'm not scared. It's $425. We'll keep it moving. Here's my gem. My gem. Look at her. Damn, I don't even think she was in the background. I might have been showing you guys the building. But here she is. She did make it back to Tampa. Like I said, it's just first and second. It could be a simple transmission, you know, flush. It could be a simple low on fluid. I didn't even check the fluid. I'm not going to front. Like, I just checked the oil, the coolant, and drove. So who knows? Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe. Hit that bell. Share these videos. I'm doing it for you. And seriously, any fucking questions you guys have, ask me, man. Like, I'm an open book. Like, I want to see people succeed in everything they do. I just put positive vibes in the world. I'm not by no means a hater. So please, guys, let me know what you got. Talk to me. Join some Facebook groups. Be careful about your Facebook groups. I got an interesting story for you guys. One of my homeboys just got jammed up. Bro, he got caught out there with a number of open title cars. That will be a video to come shortly because I need my people to understand you are potentially breaking the law. I'm working on an ebook for free for my subscribers. I hope to have that done by April. Just very briefly outlining what it is that you can and cannot do with links to your state. So again, guys, there's a lot to come on this channel. You know, big goals here, but one day at a time. And right now, with it being tax time, I'm really just trying to get these cars sold. I'm gonna do a recap for January. That video is gonna come out. A subscriber, I forget the name. I apologize, I forgot your name. Teresa, you requested that I do a how to buy a used car type thing, so I'll take care of that for you as well. And just take it from there. All right, guys, thank you so much again. God bless. Subscribe, hit that bell. Thank you.